How to add music to Instagram story on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can add music to Instagram story on iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add music to Instagram story on your iPhone, first of all go about creating a simple story on your Instagram profile by tapping on the story icon over here, and then choose a specific photo or video that you want to add to your story. In this case I'll just go ahead and select it, and then once I've done that, let's say I want to add music to the story, right? What I have to do in that case is I just have to tap on the sticker icon which you see at the very top right hand side of the screen. So just tap on the sticker icon here. Once you tap on the sticker icon, here you have to look for the music filter. If you do not find music over here, you can also use the search box and then simply type in music, and then you'll be able to find music. So just tap on it. Once you tap on music, you can choose one of the suggested music that you want to over here, or else you can simply tap on the option called search music and you can search for a specific music that you want. Or else what you could basically do is just select one of the selected musics in this case, and then after you've done that, you can choose a style in which the music is going to appear, such as like this, or you want it to be invisible or like this, or you can just make it the only music as option, or you can choose a small sticker. At the very bottom you can choose the duration of the music, such as the maximum is 15 seconds, so you want to make sure to play this up to 15 seconds. Then after you've done that, you can also choose the verse in which you want the music to appear in this case. So as you can see, whether I want this paragraph to this paragraph, depending upon which verse I want, I can play that. I can reposition this sticker over here, just tap on done, and then all I need to do is just tap on the option called your story in order to add the story to my Instagram profile, and the music will also be added. This is how you can add music to Instagram story on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.